Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upscale. You can enhance quality of your video using Video Pro Converter AI. So you can download this software in a videoproc.com here. So this is very helpful. This is the free edition, free trial. So you can register or you can purchase the full version of this app. So let's get started. Please use this super resolution AI. This feature, you can click it. So you can upload your video here. So after you upload your video here, default resolution, this is the upscale one. So this is still a disabled because it's already 15 minutes. I run it on up, need more RAM. So here I use UHD Intel. Here, change to high mode, like generate more detail, clarity, sharpness, is better here. Or you can use fast. There is that disable. Still setting 20x, it means it's already for HD and so resolution of and image. If you satisfy, you can use this for the codec by default. Also the audio you can say or pass through. Well, to set as possible. And after that, you can click this run. So your video and it is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And